Hi, everyone. My name is Donna Roberts. I am a customer success coach with Bright MLS, and today I'm going to show you how to use showing carts in Bright MLS. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in and do a quick search, and we're going to plan a tour for our clients. We're going to view multiple properties. So I'll go in and just enter a little bit of criteria. And we'll jump into our results. From here, I will select some properties that my client would like to see. So we'll go with these 5. Once we've selected our properties, we're going to go over to showing time at the bottom and click that. From here, we're going to add to showing cart. We can select an existing tour or create a new cart and click next. From there, we'll select our tour date. We can add a buyer name if we like, and we need to give it a description. You'll see our 5 properties listed, and if we scroll down, we will see those on the map. So we can see the order that they have us traveling in, right? Doesn't really make the most sense for me. So one of the toughest things as an agent when you're planning a tour of multiple properties is deciding which property to start, with, and which property to go to second. How far is it? How long is it going to take to get there? And then what property to go to next, so on and so forth. It consumes a lot of time. I'm going to make your life so much easier. We're going to scroll back up to the top. So really, I want to decide where my starting point is. That's all I need to do. I'm going to say I'm either going to start here or I'm going to start down here and work my way back out, right? So we can either start here or here. That makes the most sense to me. So for this purpose, I'll say we are going to go ahead and start at number 2. That's going to be our start, and we'll end down here. Scroll back up to the top. We're going to take position 2. Have my little hand there. I'm going to click, hold it, and drag it up to the top to position 1 and release it. We're going to drop it right there in number 1. Right? From there, we can have this calculate our route for us. We're going to come down to Smart Route and click that. Now, if we scroll back down to the bottom, we can see we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's done all the work for us. Then if we go back up to the top, you can see the distance between each of these listings, which will then help you select your times. We can pick a time here, or we can come over to this side and just click and select our times and save it. Same thing here. We can say, oh, we've got 7 miles in between. I'll give myself a little time and we'll set that one up here. So on and so forth, all the way down. 5 miles in between. We don't need a lot of time. So you can go ahead and just plot your day and you're done, right? Now, the other cool feature that we can do is we can add another stop in here. If we want to put in an MLS number, we can import that property, put it right in here where we need it. We can also add another stop. So if I want to take my clients to lunch, I can pop in a name and an address in here. Add that stop in. Same thing, I can click and drag it where it makes the most sense. And we can put that right in there. So then if we need to move things around, we can. Put that one down here. Then I can kind of say, well, we're going to do lunch at 12. We'll give us an hour. Save it. And now I can just click and drag these down, release, and click again. That'll move these for us. Just click, drag, drop, click it, save it. And now we're ready for our tour. We have turn-by-turn directions over here on the left. That'll give us directions to the first property, from the first property to the second property, so on and so forth. At the very top, we have the ability to email this to our client or print it out as well. The last thing we need to do is just hit send requests. It'll send all 5 of these requests at the same time, and you'll start to receive back those confirmations. If for some reason something is not confirmed, you can easily come into your tour by going into your clients tab and your showings, and just come back here and remove one of these out if it's not able to be met. So this is how you use showing carts in Bright MLS. I hope you enjoyed this training today. Thank you and have a great day.